Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Foursquare by Strosahl. So we have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules. That means in each row, each column, and each 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6, exactly once each. We also have killer cages. Those are these cells surrounded by dotted lines. The dotted lines are the cage. Digits in a cage sum to the value in the top left. So these 4 would sum to 12. These 4 sum to 15. In addition to that, we do have these circles with digits in them. These are quadruples. They always touch 4 cells, and the numbers in them describe numbers that must appear at least once in those 4 cells. So somewhere in these 4 cells, we need a 4 and we need a 6. We could have multiple 4s, we could have multiple 6s. Like we could do this if we wanted, or we could only include one of each somewhere. But the point is, we need a 4 and a 6. We can't omit the 6, so this wouldn't be allowed. And that's it. Those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself. And I'm going to get started right now. Okay. We have a lot of outies here. Let's start with the 15. So what do I mean by outies? Well, we know that these 4 digits sum to 15. We also know that these 6 digits sum to 21. Because 1 to 6 sums to 21. And that's a box. It has 1 to 6. So we can subtract 21 minus 15 to get what these two have to add to. So 21 minus 15 is 6. So these two add to 6. So they're either 1, 5 or 2, 4. These two add to 9. So they're either 4, 5 or 3, 6. So that's the same here. Now, this can't be 4, 5. If this was a 4, 5 pair, we would not be able to add to 6 here, right? We would have only 1 and 2 left. So this has to be 3, 6. And in fact, that makes this 1, 2, 4, 5 as well. The outies here, 21 minus 13 is 8. So we're either 2, 6 or 3, 5. Now we have a problem with 3, 5 for similar reasons. If we remove 3 and 5, this adds to 10, which isn't what we're supposed to add to. We're supposed to add to 9. So this has to be 2, 6. And then that makes this not 3, 6. It has to be 4, 5. Okay, the outies here, 21 minus 14 is 7. Unfortunately, 7 doesn't eliminate any digits naturally. 1, 6, 2, 5, or 3, 4. This is 12 again, so that's going to be 9. 4, 5, or 3, 6. So this can't be 4, 5 because it makes this 1, 2. And then now this is also 4, 5, but we're not supposed to add to 9. We're supposed to add to 6. So this has to be the 3, 6. So this is also 1, 2, 4, 5. And 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 is 12. So we're doing the math right. Okay. I could fill what these are. Okay, we do have quads. I wonder if the quads are helpful at this point. So because of this 4 or 5 pair, we know neither of these are 4. So that means we need a 4 in this quad still, but it's got to be down here. So 4 is in one of these two. That's going to point saying these aren't 4, and that puts a 4 in one of these two. We are going to need a 2 here. So the 2 can't go in one of these two. So the 2 ends up in one of these two. That again points, telling us those aren't 2, and 2 is one of those. 3, 6 doesn't go here or here, so this is 3, 6. That adds to 9. In fact, so that means that these add to 6. So I guess it's just Sudoku. These are the other way to add to 6, the 1, 2, 4, 5 way. And so that means this adds to 6. Because if this adds, if we're adding to 6 in one way here, we're adding to 6 in the other way here. So if this adds to 6, this also adds to 6. And that means this adds to 6, this adds, yeah. So these all add to 6. There are a bunch of vertical 6 gauges here that I need to resolve somehow. Okay, that makes sense if you think about it a little harder. We need a 3 in this quad, and these can't be 3. So this is our 3, and this is our 6. Okay. The 14 added to 7. Could be 2, 5. It could be 4. Okay, so this can't be a 4. Because if this was 4, this would have to be 3 to add to 7 for the outie, but this can't be a 3. So this can't be the 4. Placing the 4 here. So these add to 10 and 3, which we know what this pair is, though. This is a 1, 3 pair. That's 1, that's 3. And so altogether, these add to 8. We need to get to 14. So this can't be the 2, first of all. What is it? It's 6. And that's 5. So this is the 1, 2 pair. This is the 4, 5 pair. Okay. Doing well. I still need a 6 in this quad. It's in one of these two. Actually, it's placed. That gives us the 3 and 6 here. I have the 2. I have 4 and 6. I do not have my 5. That goes there. Remember, these add to 6. So that's 5 and 1. This is 2 and 4. This is 5 and 1. This is 2 and 4. So that means this is 1, 5. This is 2, 4. I'm pretty sure we're vertically roped. I probably could have noted that, but we didn't need to use it. That's 4 and 5. That's 2 and 4. This digit is the 1. These two digits are the 2 and 3. 3, 2 like that. And down here, oh, I didn't get my 5 yet on this quad. So that's 5, 1. So I guess I could just get these pairs. We need a 3, 5 here. Okay, so that's 3, that's 5. We have 6 and 3, 2 and 6, 4 and 2. And then I need the 1 and the 4, and we're done. All right, nice puzzle, Strosahl. I enjoyed that. I probably could have used the vertical roping here to speed things along a little bit, but I basically discovered the same thing, that we had the 3, 6 columns, and then we had the columns that add to 6. That was neat. And nice use of outies there. Let me know how you did, and if you enjoyed this, want to leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.